Question number 1. Satyamev Jayate was taken from which book? Option A. Mundaka Upanishad, B. Ramayan, C. Mahabharat, D. Bhagavad Gita. Answer is option A. Mundaka Upanishad. Question number 2. Who introduced gold coins in India? Option A. Maurya dynasty, B. Gupta dynasty, C. Indo-Greek dynasty, D. Kushan dynasty. Answer is option C. Indo-Greek dynasty. Question number 3. Which dynasty was famous for efficient rural administration? Option A. Chola dynasty, B. Kushan dynasty, C. Gupta dynasty, D. Maurya dynasty. Answer is option A. Chola dynasty. Question number 4. Who said the Congress movement was neither inspired by the people nor devised or planned by them? Option A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Lord Curzon. Answer is option C. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 5. Who founded the Independent Labour Party in 1936? Option A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is option A. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 6. When did the British government introduce the portfolio system for the first time? Option A. 1909, B. 1919, C. 1935, D. 1861. Answer is option D. 1861. Question number 7. Who founded the Indian Reforms Association in 1870? Option A. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, C. Keshav Chandra Sen, D. Surendranath Banerjee. Answer is option C. Keshav Chandra Sen. Question number 8. Who said on Gandhiji's death, the light has gone out of our lives? Option A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer is option A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 9. Who was the founder of Secret Society Abhinav Bharat? Option A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar and Ganesh Damodar Savarkar, D. Bhagat Singh. Answer is option C. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar and Ganesh Damodar Savarkar. Question number 10. Who is generally acknowledged as the pioneer of local self-government in modern India? Option A. Lord Ripon, B. Lord Curzon, C. Lord Mountbatten, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is option A. Lord Ripon. Question number 11. Who was the first to attempt decentralization of financial administration? Option A. Warren Hastings, B. Lord Curzon, C. Lord Mayo, D. Lord Ripon. Answer is option C. Lord Mayo. Question number 12. Which capitalist served as an AICC treasurer for many years and went to jail in 1930? Option A. G.D. Birla, B. Jamnalal Bajaj, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is option B. Jamnalal Bajaj. Question number 13. What is the official national animal of Scotland? Option A. Lion, B. Unicorn, C. Eagle, D. Bear. Answer is option B. Unicorn. Question number 14. What is the Whiteley Commission associated with? Option A. Labor reforms, B. Education reforms, C. Financial reforms, D. Agricultural reforms. Answer is option A. Labor reforms. Question number 15. Who was the president of the 1916 Lucknow session of the Indian National Congress? Option A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Annie Besant, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Ambika Charan Majumdar. Answer is option D. Ambika Charan Majumdar. Question number 16. Which is the only state in India to have a separate flag? Option A. Sikkim, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Kerala, D. West Bengal. Answer is option B. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 17. Who observed the Congress is in reality a civil war without arms? Option A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is option C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question number 18. Who gave Bombay to Charles II of England as a dowry gift for his marriage with Catherine of Braganza? Option A. The Dutch, B. The Portuguese, C. The French, D. The Spanish. Answer is option B. The Portuguese. Question number 19. Whom did Bal Gangadhar Tilak called the Diamond of India? Option A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Swami Vivekanand, C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer is option C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 20. Which is the smallest union territory of India by area? Option A. Chandigarh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Daman and Diu. D. Lakshadweep. Answer is option D. Lakshadweep. Question number 21. Which Indian city is home to the world's largest film industry in terms of films produced? Option A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Kolkata. D. Hyderabad. Answer is option A. Mumbai. Question number 22. Who founded Swadeshi Bhandar in 1897? Option A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Answer is option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 23. In which state of India is the Valley of Flowers National Park located? Option A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Sikkim. Answer is option B. Uttarakhand. Question number 24. Which is the first Indian language to be declared a classical language by the Government of India? Option A. Tamil. B. Sanskrit. C. Kannada. D. Telugu. Answer is option A. Tamil. Question number 25. Whom did Kutubuddin Aibak serve as a slave? Option A. Akbar the Great. B. Ibrahim Lodi. C. Shah Jahan. D. Muhammad Ghori. Answer is option D. Muhammad Ghori.